The audit function in Travelex has quite a broad remit, so we not only traditionally just look at and support the financial aspects of the business, testing internal controls, but we also look at other areas like compliance, HR, personnel, looking at operational perspectives as well. So I mean, we have quite a global remit and a broad remit throughout the business. Internal auditors have the greatest opportunity of being exposed to all areas of the business. You get to talk, in my world, to the cashier, to the chairman of the board. And that's the same as the involvement in my team as well. We're relatively small teams, but we have a broad responsibility. Internal audit is globalized because of the businesses that we operate in. I mean, most of the companies in the world are now global leaders, and that's how they have to be to survive. The businesses that you work for are global, so does the internal audit profession become global. The CIA program really talks about how to set up an audit function. What are the standards of internal audit? What are the reporting requirements? Ideas about how do we report our audit findings, all of those sorts of stuff. So it gets very much into the nitty-gritty of the day-to-day operations and exposure on how to run an internal audit function. Clearly, when you are doing that qualification, you might not be running the audit function, but it still gives you an idea of how to improve those audit functions that you're part of. I was the global head of an internal audit function at the age of 30. I've been able to travel all over the world, and I've sat on and worked and reported to a number of boards for a lot of global, well-recognized organizations. I encourage the team to take the CIA qualification because it's a global qualification, specifically for internal auditing. It enables them to promote their career and develop and move up within the internal audit operation and field. When you've got auditors traveling all over the world, they don't have to commit to seminars, conferences or workshops. They can do the study and do the qualification at their own pace and find the right balance between work and study. I would encourage other heads of internal audit to promote the CIA program. I really think it's going to help and develop the internal auditor's career and also add value to the business as well. The CIA qualification is the one measure that employers and myself look at to see whether we've got an appropriately trained and experienced internal auditor.